All right, let's take a look at problem 2 from lesson 5-7. It says writing an equation of a trend line. Biology, make a scatter plot of the data at the right. What is the approximate weight of a 7-month-old panda? So here we have, age in months. So 1 month, 2.5 pounds, 2 months, 7.6 pounds, 3 months, 12.5 pounds, and so on and so forth. And so they made a scatter plot here. And then they're going to make an equation for the trend line. So in order to do that, they chose 2 points. The 2 points that they chose, does it matter which 2 points you choose? No, but they chose 4 and 17.1 and 8 and 37.9, and they found the slope. And then they used that slope, which was 5.2, and they used one of their points, which was 4 and 17.1, and did y minus 17.1 equals 5.2 x minus 4. So does it matter which one you use? No, again. Will your answers always be the same? No, because this is not consistent. As you can see, the points are not directly on the line. So if I chose 2 other points, my slope probably wouldn't be the same. So this is an approximate. This is an estimate. And so step 3, estimate the weight of a 7-month-old panda, because they don't have it here. And so they plugged in 7 for the equation, and they got 32.7. All right, so let's do it on our own now. So if you choose different points from Miss Kate's, will your answer be different? Absolutely. Will it be around the same? It should be around the same, but it's probably going to be different. So it says, first, to make a scatter plot of the data below. Draw a trend line and write its equation. What is the approximate body length of a 7-month-old panda? So again, I have my points, and I went ahead and I used my free graphing calculator at Desmos, www.desmos.com, and I just came here, I added an item, I added a table, and then I plugged in my values, and they plotted the points right here. Okay, so there's my scatter plot. It says, what is the approximate length of a 7-month-old panda? I can use my graph to do this. Probably not so good now because I probably need an equation first. So let's do that. Let's choose points. I'm going to choose 1 and 5. So point 1, which is 1 and 8, and 5, which was 5 and 20.1. Those are the 2 points that I chose. There's lots of points you can choose. There's different variety. Please don't feel like you have to choose the same points that I chose. Okay? So first I'm going to find my slope. So that's 20.1 minus 8 divided by 5 minus 1. We're going to use my calculator. So it's 20.1 minus 8, which is 12.1, divided by 4. So I get 12.1 divided by 4, which is 3.025. So my slope is 3.025. Alright, now I'm going to use my point slope form. I'm going to choose this one. I like that one. So that's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I'm just going to plug those points in. So my y, sorry, that's not supposed to be an equal sign. Y minus 8 equals my slope, which is 3.025 times x minus 1. Okay, so I have run out of space. I'm going to pause the video to give myself my room. Okay, so I'm just going to solve the equation now. So I'm going to do y minus 8 equals 3.025x minus 3.025. I'm going to add 8 to both sides. And I get y equals 3.025x. And what is that? 8 minus 3.025, which is 4.975. Okay, so there's my equation. There's my what else are they asking for? What is the approximate body length of a 7-month-old panda? So I'm going to plug it in. X is 7, right? So that's going to give me y equals 3.025 times 7 plus 4.975. Alright. So 3.025 times 7 plus 4.975 is 26.15. So I get y equals 26.15. And I forgot what, it's in inches. Okay, so it says, do you think you can use your model to extrapolate the body length of a 3-year-old panda? Explain. I do not believe so, because if a panda grows like a child or a human, they are going to taper off at some point, right? So they're going to get to a point where they start, let me pull up my graph, where the graph is going to stop going up and it's going to start going something like this, right? So there's going to be like a graph, and then it's going to be like a curve, right, going this way. And so I don't believe that I can use this graph to help me to do that estimate. But I hope that this example helped.